Welcome back to another Nintex Apps demo. Today, we're diving into URL variables, a simple yet powerful way to pass data between pages. Whether you're setting up dynamic links or customizing content based on parameters, this is a must-know skill. Let's jump in. We've set up a tutorial page with a configured URL. The most common way to include URL parameters is by adding a question mark to begin, a variable name, followed by an equals sign, and the value. Additional parameters must be separated by ampersands. For example, when previewing this form, we're adding two parameters to the URL. The order of the parameters does not matter. Now, let's display these parameters on the page using text components. Click the Insert Merge Variables icon, select Parameter, type the name, and click Insert. This will add the parameter inside double curly braces. If you're comfortable with the notation, you can simply type the curly braces manually. When we save and reload the page, the parameter values now appear in the text. If only one parameter is included in the URL, the page still loads. The missing value will simply be blank. Let's take this further. We'll add a user parameter and apply it in a model condition. Set the model to filter records based on the user parameter. Set the condition so that if a user isn't provided, the query won't execute. Add a table component and add the model fields to display model data. If we include the user parameter in the URL, we see filtered results for that user. But without it, the table won't load at all. Now, let's explore the second way to pass parameters. URL merge parameters. Go to the Pages form in your app. Select Configure URLs and then select Edit. We can now add path elements as parameters. The name that you provide here is what will be used to read the parameter. Only the last parameter can be set as optional. The key difference is that merge parameters must be in the same order in the URL, and all required parameters must be included, or the page won't load. One thing to watch out for: avoid passing values that contain slashes, such as dates. If a slash appears in the wrong place, it can confuse the URL parsing. Also, if you are feeling adventurous, you can combine both methods. As long as you name parameters correctly, they remain valid and accessible. This gives you flexibility to structure URLs in the way that best suits your app. And there you have it, two powerful ways to work with URL variables in Nintex Apps. Let me know in the comments which method works best for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Nintex tips. See you next time.